Welcome back to Elite Math Services, where we teach you math in under 5 minutes. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to multiply a decimal by a whole number. So the first example we're going to start off with is 0.8 times 4. Now the first rule of multiplying a decimal by a whole number is that we change all decimals to whole numbers. And that is simply done by taking the decimal away. So 0.8 becomes 8. Then we multiply it times 4. 8 times 4 gives us 32. And then the second step, which is the last and final step, is to count how many places behind the decimal in the problem, and then you're going to reflect that same number in your answer. So in this problem, we have one number behind the decimal, which is 8. So in our answer, we should also have one number behind the decimal, which means we will be placing it between the 3 and the 2. So our final answer is 3.2. We're going to give another example to reinforce everything we just learned. So 0.5 times 6. Now remember our first rule, we're going to change the decimal to a whole number. So we're just going to remove the decimal. 0.5 becomes 5. We go ahead and multiply that times 6, which gives us 30. Then we use our second rule. We count the numbers behind the decimal. We only have one number behind the decimal, which is that 5. And so in our answer, we're only going to have one number behind the decimal. So the decimal should be placed between 3 and the 0, which gives us a final answer of 3.0, which is also the same as 3.